Upgrade your Toyota, Nissan, Kia, Lada, or other compatible vehicles with the VATAV Android 13 1-DIN floating screen universal multimedia voice CarPlay auto stereo radio head unit, available on Aliexpress. This advanced multimedia system is designed to bring state-of-the-art features and superior performance to your car, ensuring a more enjoyable and connected driving experience. High-performance Android 13 system, featuring a robust configuration with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. The system ensures smooth and efficient operation, allowing for seamless multitasking and quick access to your favorite apps and functions. Floating screen design. The 1-DIN floating screen offers a modern and sleek interface that is both stylish and functional, providing easy access and clear visibility to all controls and displays. Advanced connectivity. With built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, you can effortlessly integrate your smartphone for hands-free calling, music streaming, and navigation. Bluetooth phone and audio capabilities further enhance your in-car connectivity options. Enhanced audio experience. The system includes a built-in DSP processor, ensuring high-quality, multi-dimensional surround sound with lossless audio. Enjoy full HD digital decoding for an immersive audiovisual experience. Beyond basic multimedia functionality, you can upgrade your system with a 360 panoramic camera, reverse camera, ADAS DVR, OBD, tire pressure control system, and rear entertainment setup. These features provide enhanced safety, convenience, and entertainment for you and your passengers. Installing the VATAV Android 13 1-DIN floating screen multimedia system transforms your vehicle into a high-tech hub of connectivity, entertainment, and convenience. Whether you're looking to enhance sound quality, integrate advanced safety features, or simply enjoy a better in-car multimedia experience, this head unit provides the perfect solution. Available now on Aliexpress, it's the ideal upgrade for drivers seeking the latest in automotive technology